In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar in WordPress. By the end, you'll have a simple calendar on your site that visitors can use to browse your posts by date. This uses the built-in calendar block on wordpress.com, so there's nothing extra to install. If you're on a self-hosted setup, your screens may look a little different, but the idea is the same. Start by heading to wordpress.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your site's dashboard. On the homepage of your dashboard, look for the site you want to edit. You'll typically see a site card or a list of your sites. Hover your mouse over the site to reveal management options, then choose Edit Site. This opens the site editor, where you can modify templates and content areas. Inside the editor, focus on the top left corner and click the plus icon to open the block inserter. This is where all blocks are grouped by type. If you don't see what you need right away, you can scroll or use the search bar. For this tutorial, scroll down until you find the widgets section. That's where the calendar block lives, along with other handy items like archives and categories. Click Calendar. Your calendar will appear instantly in the editor. If your cursor was placed in a specific area, like a sidebar, footer, or a section of your page, the calendar will drop right there. If it lands in the wrong spot, just drag it or use the toolbar's move controls to position it where it makes the most sense for your layout. Now let's customize. Select the calendar and open the settings panel on the right if it's not already visible. Here, you can add an optional title above the calendar, adjust alignment, tweak colors, and refine typography to match your theme's style. Remember, this calendar block is designed to show the dates of your published posts so visitors can click a day to see what you've posted. It's not an events or bookings calendar, but it's great for blogs and archives. Take a moment to preview how it looks on desktop and mobile using the preview controls. If the calendar feels cramped, consider placing it in a wider area or reduce surrounding padding for a cleaner fit. When you're happy with the look and placement, click Save in the top right corner. Confirm the changes and your calendar is live. That's it. You've added and customized a WordPress calendar quickly and cleanly, ready for your readers to explore your posts by date.